Hi friends, welcome to the Epicure Club. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more recipes. Today we are going to see how to make dark choco biscuit. Dark chocolate is very nutritious. It reduces the risk of heart disease. It may improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. It improves the brain functions. Dark chocolate has less sugar content. It also protects your skin from the sun. It also protects us from cancer. So now let's see the ingredients required to make dark choco biscuit. 150 grams of dark chocolate, marigold biscuit, 2 packets of instant coffee powder and 3 tablespoons of milk. Now let's go into the video and see how to make dark choco biscuit. Take a pan and add half cup of water, add instant coffee powder, mix it well. Keep it aside. Using the double boiler method, let us melt the dark chocolate. Add 150 grams of dark chocolate. Melt the dark chocolate. It takes time to melt the dark chocolate. Chocolate has started to melt. Now add 3 tablespoons of milk, mix it well. Let the dark chocolate combine with the milk. The chocolate has melted and come to a liquid state. Transfer it into a bowl. Now, apply the coffee mixture on one side of the biscuit. Do the same for all other biscuits. Take a biscuit and apply little dark chocolate on the biscuit. Now, take another biscuit and close it. Do the same process for all other biscuits. Dip the biscuits in the chocolate. Coat the dark chocolate well on the biscuit. Keep it aside. Do the same for all other biscuits. Freeze these biscuits for 1 hour. After 1 hour, sprinkle some sugar on it. It gives a sweet taste to the biscuit. Dark choco biscuit is ready. is very soft. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Like, comment and share with your friends.